me market. I have paid 95%. You have my 95%. All the customers have paid 95%. So where is the market is the gloomy? We have written record in which the company MD has accepted in the court that they diverted the fund. The funds of the Park Serene were diverted to other projects. That is the other business activities. That is the real reason.
Okay. And
no one can say Noida NGTSU was there, Farmers Education was there. Let BPTP tell me one single good reason to delay the project. There has been no earthquake, no flood, no NGTSU, no issue of farmer education, not a single issue.
No issues of permissions at all in this project. You know, Johnny, obviously if they've accepted that the money has been diverted to other business interests, this is why we need that 70% escrow account that RERA is talking about, that will happen when RERA comes into force, where developers will no longer be allowed to divert money from one project to another. But in the meantime, what should these gentlemen do?
See, if they haven't already taken any steps and they want the flats, is what I presume, then the most practical way out is with the assistance of the Chief Minister or any of the governments or with the court. They should try and see if that they can come together and work out a mechanism where they can take over the project somehow and complete it to some extent that it is possible. If it is not possible to be completed, if it's at a very nascent stage, then they must try and put pressure on the developer to return the money with compensation and interest.
Retired General Brijesh Kumar, do you want your house at this point, or do you want your money back with interest?
You see, having spent all our savings and waited for 8 years, we are interested in the house. We're not interested in the money.
Right.
In fact, to safeguard our interest, we have been to the National Consumer Redressal Forum.
Okay.
Otherwise, these guys would have played very hell with us.
Tell us what that means. Well, what happened when you approached the courts?
Well, the court was our case was very good, our lawyer was very good, and the court was very sympathetic. They knew that this agreement between the builder and the buyer is a one-sided one. I'll explain it to you in a few sentences. You collect the money as a part of pre-launch payment. You collect the second installment under the threat of interest payment. Then when you have 5-6 lakhs rupees collected, that's about 10% of the project, then you throw in a builder's buyer's agreement and let the buyer sign. If the consumer doesn't sign,